A serger, an overlock or overlocker, is used for finishing the edges of fabric. It is main function any overlocker. Second feature the serger is the ability to cut the fabric. Overlock performs both of these operations simultaneously. Another feature of the overlock is that this sewing machine is suitable for sewing knitted fabrics. The overlock seam is stretchable as well as knitted fabrics. It is recommended to sew clothes from such fabrics with the help of an overlock. These large cones are too large for standard sewing machines but perfect for threading an overlock. Proper threading is the key to the quality of overlocker work. Do not set the thread tension of the needles and loopers too high. The recommended average value is 2 to 3. Depending on the type of fabric, it is sometimes necessary to change the stitch length. For thick fabrics, you need to increase the stitch length and vice versa using this stitch length dial. Serger differential feed dial allows you to adjust the work feed dogs. If the fabric stretches too much during sewing, turn the handle to the left to number 2 and vice versa. Power switch and power cord attachment. After finishing work on the overlock, be sure to disconnect the overlock from the network. The flywheel must only be rotated in one direction. The direction of rotation is indicated by the arrow. Note, rotating a flywheel in the other direction can damage the overlock. Under the looper cover, sometimes elsewhere, there is a threading scheme. With this lever, you can select the width of the seam. Narrower seam is often used to hem the edges of fabric skirts, blouses, dresses and curtains. By turning this handle, you can move the knives from edge of fabric. This adjustment is used if the trimming of the fabric edge is narrow or too wide with respect to finishing seam. To remove the needles, you need to unscrew the screws with a flat screwdriver. Needles for household overlocker as well as for home sewing machines have a flat shank. Lift the presser foot up and lay the fabric under it so that the edge of the fabric is approximately 1 to 2 millimeters in contact with the knives. During sewing, make sure that the knives do not cut off too much fabric. Note: don't pull the fabric with your hands, otherwise you can break the needles. If the fabric moves badly, you need to adjust the height of feed dogs and the pressure of the presser foot on the fabric.